Imagine a field bathed in the warm glow of the sun, where the first light of dawn kisses the earth, awakening the life within. Rows of verdant crops stretch as far as the eye can see, their leaves rustling gently in the breeze, a testament to the nurturing power of nature. This is the image of traditional farming, a practice deeply rooted in human history, passed down through generations, embodying the essence of human connection to the land.
Traditional farming, with its reliance on sunlight, soil, and natural rhythms, represents a time-tested method. It is a dance with nature, respecting the seasons and the natural cycles of growth.
Now, picture a different scene, a climate-controlled greenhouse, alive with the soft hum of technology, where innovation meets agriculture. Plants sprout from trays filled not with soil, but with nutrient-rich water, thriving in an environment meticulously managed for optimal growth. This is the world of hydroponics, a modern approach to agriculture that is rapidly gaining traction, promising efficiency and sustainability. Hydroponics leverages technology to create controlled environments where every variable can be fine-tuned to perfection, optimizing growth and resource use, minimizing waste, and maximizing yield. These two methods, while both aiming to provide sustenance, offer starkly different approaches to food production, each with its own set of challenges and benefits. This juxtaposition of old and new begs the question, which method reigns supreme? Is it the age-old wisdom of traditional farming or the cutting-edge innovation of hydroponics? The answer, as with many things in life, is not so simple. It requires a deeper understanding of the intricacies involved in each method.
Both traditional farming and hydroponics offer unique advantages and disadvantages. Traditional farming is often more accessible and relies on natural processes, while hydroponics can be more efficient and sustainable in the long run.
Understanding these nuances is crucial as we navigate the complex landscape of food production in the 21st century. Each method has its place, and the choice between them depends on various factors. Ultimately, the better approach hinges on a multitude of factors, including environmental impact, accessibility, and societal needs. It's about finding a balance that works for our planet and our communities. Our journey into the world of food production will delve into these factors, examining how each method can contribute to a sustainable future. Exploring the intricate dance between tradition and innovation, and how they can coexist to meet the growing demands of our world. We will weigh the merits of each approach, considering their potential to feed a growing population, and drawbacks of each approach, understanding the limitations and opportunities they present, ultimately empowering you to cultivate an informed perspective on the future of food and how we can sustainably nourish our world for generations to come. One of the most compelling arguments for hydroponics lies in its potential to deliver higher yields compared to traditional farming. This is achieved through a combination of advanced techniques and meticulous control over the growing environment, which allows plants to thrive in optimal conditions. By precisely controlling environmental factors like light, nutrients, and temperature, hydroponic systems can optimize plant growth, leading to significantly faster harvest cycles. This precision ensures that plants receive exactly what they need, when they need it, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. This accelerated growth translates into more frequent harvests, allowing farmers to produce a greater volume of food within the same space and time frame. The ability to harvest multiple times in a single season can revolutionize food production, especially in areas with limited arable land. For farmers, particularly those operating on limited land, the allure of increased yield is undeniable. The efficiency of hydroponics can transform small plots into highly productive farms, making it possible to sustain larger populations with fewer resources. The ability to produce more food in less space can lead to higher profits, making hydroponics an attractive option for maximizing output. This is particularly beneficial in urban areas where space is at a premium, allowing for the integration of farming into city landscapes. This increased efficiency can also help meet the demands of a growing global population, which is projected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050. As urbanization continues to rise, hydroponics offers a viable solution to food security challenges by enabling local, sustainable food production. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that higher yields do not necessarily equate to a superior farming method. While hydroponics can produce impressive results, it is important to consider the broader implications and potential limitations of this approach. While hydroponics may excel in controlled environments, traditional farming benefits from the natural resilience and adaptability of plants grown in diverse ecosystems. the biodiversity found in traditional farms can enhance soil health and provide natural pest control, contributing to the overall sustainability of the farming system. Factors such as soil health, beneficial insects, and natural pest control mechanisms play a crucial role in the long-term sustainability of traditional agriculture. These elements create a balanced ecosystem that supports plant health and reduces the need for chemical interventions. Moreover, the focus on yield alone can overshadow other important aspects of food production, such as nutritional value, flavor, and environmental impact. It is essential to consider how different farming methods affect the quality of the produce and the health of the environment. A holistic evaluation of farming methods must consider these factors alongside yield to determine the true sustainability and efficacy of each approach. By balancing yield with other critical factors, we can develop farming practices that are not only productive but also environmentally and socially responsible. The debate surrounding sustainable farming practices often centers around the efficient use of natural resources, particularly water and land. Traditional farming, while deeply connected to the earth, can be water-intensive, especially in regions with limited rainfall.
Irrigation, often necessary to supplement natural precipitation, can deplete aquifers and strain water resources.
Additionally, traditional farming practices can contribute to soil erosion and degradation, impacting long-term land productivity. Hydroponics, on the other hand, boasts significantly reduced water usage compared to traditional methods. By recirculating nutrient-rich water, hydroponic systems minimize waste and reduce the overall water footprint of food production. Furthermore, hydroponics eliminates the need for soil, freeing up land for other uses and mitigating the environmental impact associated with soil erosion and degradation.
However, the sustainability of hydroponics is not without its critics. The reliance on synthetic fertilizers and the energy required to power climate-controlled environments raise concerns about the overall environmental impact.
The production of fertilizers consumes significant energy and resources, while the use of artificial lighting in indoor hydroponic systems contributes to the carbon footprint.
Balancing the scales of sustainability requires a nuanced understanding of the trade-offs inherent in each approach.
While hydroponics excels in water conservation and land use efficiency, its reliance on energy-intensive technologies warrants careful consideration.
Traditional farming, though potentially water-intensive, offers the potential for ecological harmony through practices like crop rotation, cover cropping, and integrated pest management.
The age-old debate between the flavor of homegrown produce and their supermarket counterparts takes on new dimensions when comparing hydroponics and traditional farming. This comparison is not just about the method of cultivation, but also about the intricate details that influence the final taste of the produce.
Advocates for traditional farming often argue that produce grown in natural sunlight and nutrient-rich soil possesses a depth of flavor unmatched by hydroponically grown counterparts. They believe that the natural environment, with its complex ecosystem, plays a crucial role in developing the unique taste profiles of fruits and vegetables.
The complex interplay between soil microbes, sunlight, and natural elements is believed to contribute to the rich tapestry of flavors found in traditionally grown fruits and vegetables. This natural synergy is something that many traditional farmers swear by, attributing the superior taste to the organic processes at play. Hydroponic proponents, however, contend that flavor is not inherent to the growing method, but rather a reflection of the plant's genetics and the nutrient balance provided. They argue that by controlling the environment precisely, they can replicate and even enhance the conditions that lead to optimal flavor.
By precisely controlling the nutrient solution, hydroponic growers can optimize for specific flavor profiles, potentially enhancing the taste of certain varieties. This method allows for a level of customization that is difficult to achieve in traditional farming, where variables like weather and soil conditions can be unpredictable.
Furthermore, the controlled environment of hydroponics can protect crops from pests and diseases, eliminating the need for pesticides that can sometimes impart an undesirable taste to produce. This not only ensures a cleaner taste, but also appeals to consumers who are concerned about pesticide residues on their food.
Ultimately, the question of taste is subjective and influenced by personal preferences. What one person finds delicious, another might find lacking. Some individuals may detect subtle differences in flavor between hydroponically and traditionally grown produce, while others may find the distinction negligible. This variability in taste perception makes it difficult to declare one method superior to the other definitively.
Factors such as variety selection, ripeness at harvest, and post-harvest handling can also significantly impact the flavor of fruits and vegetables, regardless of the growing method. These factors are often overlooked in the debate, but play a crucial role in the final taste of the produce.
As consumers become increasingly discerning about the origin and quality of their food, the debate surrounding flavor is likely to continue. With more people interested in where their food comes from and how it is grown, both traditional and hydroponic methods will continue to evolve and improve.
Both traditional farming and hydroponics offer the potential to produce flavorful and nutritious food, with the optimal approach depending on individual preferences and priorities. Whether you prefer the natural complexity of soil-grown produce or the controlled precision of hydroponics, the choice ultimately lies in what you value most in your